Hello everyone. This morning we're going to talk about making a banana tea with eggshells. You add the banana with the eggshells into a pitcher like this, and we use, actually I'll put the product in first. Now, when you want to make your banana tea, you don't necessarily have to wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever it takes to decompose. You can use raw banana peels cut into little pieces, and that's what I do because I'm feeding my plants on a daily basis. Secondly, you add eggshells, or if you don't want to just have the shells from a hard-boiled egg, you can use a raw egg and crack it and put it in. Thirdly, I like to use Epsom salts, and Epsom salts helps with the chlorophyll in the plant. Also, for roses, for example, it creates new strong cane growth, and for the root system. Epsom salts is magnesium sulfate. So once you get all the product into your container has to be able to support boiling water. So we add boiling water, and I won't fill it, but I'm going to just demonstrate that you put the boiling water in, and it has to be at least, I'm figuring this is at least a half gallon, maybe 3/4 of a gallon. The next day, after 24 hours, this is your finished product, and I recommend that you stir the product, get it all mixed up so you get the banana off the bottom as well as the eggshells, and it's ready to use.